Today we'll be going over how to reload your own blanks. So this is just a regular 223 cartridge that I have prepared to reload. You don't have to do all that prep work to do a blank. However, you'll get them more consistent when you're crimping them if you've already sized them and trimmed them to the same length. Okay, to load the blanks, you're going to need these set of Hornady blank cartridge dies, crimping die, and then the finishing die. So this guy looks a little scary, and that's what's going to start the crimp, and then this one's just a cone, and that's what's going to finish it. So today I'll be using this Hotchkiss 700X. It's relatively spicy powder, but so is the powder that you find in blanks. I'll be using 5 grains because that is what gets me the same velocity on a golf ball as a genuine M200 blank. I'll put a link to the video where I tested to work up the load and see how hot you can get them there. So we're going to do the normal stuff that we normally do. Put the primer in, skip that one. Okay, drop the powder in there. Okay, and then to adjust these, you'll want to back them up really far out, and then as you go up, you're going to want to work on crimping them more and more until you get to about that amount of crimped. If you go too far, it can actually buckle the neck, and that is less ideal. So the rest of the crimp we're going to do with this finishing die. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's all done. So you should get a pretty small star point there. Okay, and once you get things going, you can just reload these just like you would. You can load them just like you would regular old cartridges, except just a little bit quicker because you don't have to worry about putting in any projectiles because they're just blanks. Okay, the very last step is to take the blank and dip it in a little bit of paint. This is just some cheap acrylic paint you can get from Walmart for like 90 cents or something like that. Okay, so the only reason you dip them in paint is to help keep the powder from coming out, because it is pistol powder and it can kind of get out. So this is what the recently dipped one looks like. This is what they look like when they dry. Okay, so once you get the blanks done, you can just put them in a magazine just like you normally would. They are a titch shorter than regular 5.56. Once you get them in there, drop the bolt just like normal, and you can see they'll cycle just fine. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Next week I'll be showing these, how they work with a BFA blank firing adapter out on the range. If you have any other comments or questions on reloading blanks for ARs, then put it in the comment section below. As always guys, thanks for watching.